Is this recording? Oh, it is. Hey guys, welcome to another video on Kidpool Gaming, and I actually been wanting to do this video like ever since I released the other Jurassic World Evolutions video. So I actually left this on to see what destruction would go on while I left it on. I haven't seen it yet, but I think some of it went offline while it was offline, so let's check what the damage is. Oh, okay. So, there's a lot of things broken. And actually, before I did this, I actually put it to heavy storm, so there's probably a tornado. Let's see how many dinosaurs are left. There's so little! There's so little dinosaurs left! One raptor! And this is the first velociraptor. Okay. Okay, there's one T-Rex. There's a Diplodocus. Oh, Brachiosaurus went out. Huh. Surprised you survived that long. Darn. Oh, yeah. I may have left the park open too, so there is, some people still here. Wait, let's see how many people the first Velociraptor killed. Where is he? Oh, that's a threat. Oh, he's about to kill someone. How many humans have he killed? 43! Jesus Christ! Oh, now it's 44! Jesus Christ, Velociraptor. Maybe we should start calling you Blue, since you're the sole survivor. Alright, here's Rexy. Oh, he's about to kill someone. Goats killed. Humans killed. 5. Okay, it's about to be 6. Right? Yeah, 6. I like blinked and then it turned to 6. Jeez, there's so many broken things. Oh my gosh. How are you still going in there? Jesus. It's all destroyed. I guess we're gonna have to put this back in working order, so I guess the first thing to do is sedate these guys. Sedate. No, not the transport teams. Cycle. Add task. Sedate. Alright. We got these guys done. Let's... Okay. Who... Oh, that's the Velociraptor. Sedate. So right now, I'm going to keep you in here. I'm going to close all the gates. Because I actually opened them before I left it off. Oh, here's the Indominus Rex pen. Okay. Okay, we're going to have to fix this first, because that's where we're going to make all our dinosaurs back. I don't know if this will be cut into 2 parts. Maybe. Because I don't like doing videos longer than 30 minutes. Okay, I know we can put Rexy back in her cage. I'm gonna call Rexy her, because it's logical. I don't even know what that word means. We're gonna put the 2 long necks, the remaining long necks, sole survivors, and it's a Brachiosaurus 1. That's actually pretty extreme. And then we're gonna put Diplodocus 3 with his counterpart Diplodocus 2. And we just need to wait for... Wait, where's the Velociraptor? Oh, the Velociraptor is over here. Wow, we made it out before, like... Get out. Okay. Wait, did we close the Rexy pen? Oh my god, we almost forgot to do that. We almost forgot to close the Rexy pen. Oh, and the Velociraptor pen. Alright, let's check if we have all of the gates closed. Closed. Oh, there's 2 gates here. Jesus Christ, why is this so laggy? I don't like this. Close that gate. Okay. We have some progress. Alright, we're gonna move... No, we're not gonna move you yet, because you actually need a counterpart to wait, no, did I put this? This is sandbox, so I probably messed with the settings, so... You will go back in the velocicage.
En route to collect the asset.
Right, the next thing we're gonna do is get a ranger team and to fix that.
Repair request acknowledged.
And to fix that.
Setting additional task.
Luckily I have so many ranger teams.
Attending to repair request. Confirmed.
Repairing fence. Add task. Repair that.
Responding to repair request.
And repair that. Wait, did we close that?
Transportation underway.
Alright, that's... okay. Next thing I want to do is fix that fence. Fix that fence. And... oh, that one's already repairing the fence. Whoa. Wait.
Delivery has been completed. Crew responding to repair request.
At base, at task. Repair the fence. Oh, the goats escaped. I actually kind of realized that. All the goats are gone. The ones that kept on going around in circles in the last Jurassic World episode.
Asset has been delivered.
That's closed. Forgot that. No. Oh yeah, this one too. I'm probably gonna make another one of this so that it's not as long, but it just feels too good. So, I don't want to make another one, but I just want to make it look accurate. It's not that accurate. How are we doing? Alright, how's this doing? First, we are going to repair that and that. Number 2, we're going to repair this and this. And we're also going to repair that. That. Oh, anyone else? You. You are going to repair that. And you're going to repair that. What happened to the fences? Oh, there's a goat. Anything else? Return to base. Okay, you're gonna fix that fence and that fence. You are going to repair that fence too. Oh, I probably should have fixed those first. Wait, but I think one time I checked on it and they never like really got out, and there was like these fences broken.
Attending to repair request.
Repair. You.
Request received. Responding to repair.
Guys, I just believed I think I made a mistake. I forgot my chocolate milk. So if you guys do, then hit the like button. I can't believe I forgot mine. And I'm actually thirsty right now.
Repair crew reporting in.
Okay. Repairing. I'm gonna add another task for you. Repair that. And I want you to have a task. Repair that. And repair this. You are also going to repair that fence. Okay. These are being repaired. Turning to base. You are going to fix that fence. Oh, who's going to volunteer and fix it? You? Yes. Fix this.
Adding task.
Add task, repair that. Add task. Repair the fence.
Acknowledged.
You don't count. But are you damaged? Yeah, you are damaged, so I guess I will repair you. Unfortunately, I will have to repair you.
Acknowledging request for repair crew.
Anything? Oh, yeah, we have to... Wait, is that already being fixed? No. That guy's not even doing anything.
Adding to the list.
Okay. Things are being rebuilt here by our ranger teams. Okay, good. Ugh. Okay, that's being repaired. These are being repaired soon. So, that's good. Wait, what about here? Probably the last thing. No. You are going to fix that
En route to
fence.
repair.
Oh, it is bad. It is bad enough. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, apparently this is deactivated, so... Oh wait, this is also broken. Repairing, repairing, repairing. Repairing, repairing, repairing. So many tasks. Any of them not repairing? What do you have to repair? Another fence? Well, can you do something for me on the way? Can you fix this?
No problem.
Come on, you'll just do your first task. And do this one.
Setting additional task.
Okay. Is doing good. You're fixing it all up. Let's open the park. So then people start coming. Is there people still here? Wow. We just stranded them here. With a T-Rex, one Velociraptor, a few of these guys. I guess that's it. Wait, I'm pretty sure I can actually add the creation labs over here just for temporary use because of the shortage of dinosaurs. Wait, what was this pen again? Oh, the Dilophosaurus pen, right. Oh, they're all gone. All the I'm pretty sure the raptors killed them. I'm pretty sure. Everything seems to be good. It's just that monorail list needs to be fixed. And that fence. Oh yeah, I need to have fences. Or paths, not fences. Blend in with the rest of the path for now. Oh god, what did I do with the curve? Oh, that's the remnants of the last path. Oh, whoops. Sorry, sir. There's he goes. Alright, the capacity is going to be all the way up. I can't remember in the settings if I put it to where it can fail, so we're just going to have to hope. Alright, I'm going to add this. I'm going to add another brack. I'm going to add a Myosaur. I'm going to add another Myosaur. And I am going to... No, I don't think I should add Struthium Mimes because, like, I already have those. Okay, Gucci. Oh, wait, why is that turned off? Gucci. Oh, I realized I haven't really done anything with, like, the tall viewing areas. I feel like I should do something with that. Maybe. Yeah, it could work. Guess, no, it's in here. Go all the way over here. I have the best hearing ever, but it's so weird when I can like hear. I can hear like something vibrating, but it's not like it's like my phone. It sounds like my phone, but it's not. Go here. There we go. Alright, it's gonna be connected 2 ways. And it's connected 2 ways. We added that. Wait, where? Oh, the T-Rex is over here. That's why I can hear him. What I really want to happen is the Velociraptor versus Indominus, but they actually get along together, so it's probably not even possible. But if we screw around with the settings a little bit, maybe. I don't know, but maybe. What to do? Okay, while we're at it, I'm gonna add 3 more Velociraptors. So first the capacity. Then we are gonna add 3 more raptors. So then we can add them into here. And we are not gonna add the Dilophosaurus, or actually no. Either we we'll add the Indominus Rex here. On this side. The Indominus Rex will be here, but we won't release him yet. What? I remember there was a Triceratops here. What happened to him? I think he died. Like literally all the dinosaurs from here died, so not surprising. I always wonder why dinosaurs like to stay in this area. He's feeding. They always like to stay on the edge. It's odd. Oh, what's ready to release? The 2 Myosaurs. We're gonna have a little bit of medium dinosaurs here, but the long necks belong in here. I feel like we should do something with this cage. Cause like I feel like we should split it. Do something with the other half. What dinosaurs do I have? Let's better check here. I want to add a specific dinosaur maybe. I still don't have this. Wait. Wait, is this sandbox? I'm so confused because like I know in a different thing, like the sandbox, there was I had like a different dinosaur that I haven't unlocked yet, but in my previous save I had, but then I lost that save. Confusing. IGK what to do. Wait, what's happening here? A goat made it all the way over here. Hello. Hello, little goat. Let's try and add some dinosaurs into here. So, well, that's incubating. I'm going to add Torosaur, Triceratops, this one. I'm going to get this one too. While those are incubating, I want to split this in half. But the fence is going to be heavy steel. Okay, no, we don't need 2 feeders in 1 pen, so I want to add another to here. I also noticed there's like fish feeders, so I wanna, like in the stream, I actually kind of, not in water, what do you mean? There's fish feeder in here, fish feeder in here. No, it's not this one. Okay, we can release the velociraptors, but immediately we are going to sedate them.
Adding to the list.
And while they're releasing, ooh, I can release this. Okay, while they're releasing, I'm going to have them tranquilized. Tranquilize that raptor. Ready to release. Release. Oh no, so much. Okay, that's the alpha.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome a velociraptor to the park.
You're gonna be tranquilized. And you, okay, this is Velociraptor 1, Velociraptor 7, 6, and 8. Huh. This Velociraptor will live forever. I promise you, he will live forever. His lifespan is, his age is 108, yeah, his usual lifespan is 85, or plus 15. Hopefully he doesn't die. Oh, here goes the feet. Alright, these guys are sedated. And you will be wrong here.
En route to pick up the asset.
Next one will be wrong here.
Asset requiring collection.
The baby cat. Already released? Yes.
We are pleased to welcome
Okay. He only goes for the water. I'm gonna put you on hold. I am going to sedate you guys. You are gonna be
Setting
sedated,
additional task.
and you are going to be sedated. Because that pen is not for you. That's for the Ceratosauruses. Pretty sure that's how you say it. These transport teams will be bringing you here.
Collecting asset.
Ooh, what do we have? Oh, we have a Taurosaur. Tranquilize. No. Other one. No, other one. Yes. Tranquilize and tranquilize.
No problem.
Oh, that one's already being tranquilized. That one got tranquilized. We're gonna bring you all the way over here.
Asset to be collected.
Once I get gyrospheres, I want to add one here.
Asset
So,
transported. Transit has commenced.
yes, transport. You will be transported.
Picking up asset.
And that was me. Why is he all the way over there? Panicking. How do you even get a good shot on him with all that armor? Alright, you velociraptors, be good. Alright, the alpha. Yes, the alpha is
Asset
one.
transportation in progress.
Alright, we're actually gonna name my first dinosaur. You. Oh, wow, I'm actually typing here. Blue. And then you will be Echo. I'm bad at naming, I forgot. Actually, no, it doesn't matter. You will be Charlie. Is that how you spell Charlie? Pretty sure I got it right. And then you will be Delta. Delta. Alright. Blue, Charlie, Echo, and Delta. You guys don't count. There's too many names. Ooh. Okay.
Asset delivered.
No, not all the way over here.
Acknowledging
Bring
asset
you
collection request.
over here.
En route to pick up the asset.
So yeah, I'm going for checking. Okay, we're probably going to end off the episode soon. It's going to break off into different parts to fixing this map. I wish you could put stuff here. You know what? I'm just going to end off the video here. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And, I don't know what else will be next. So, as always, don't touch my chalky milk.